Howdy ho, bitches! Woo! Welcome to a super duper exciting episode of GB's Super Spectacular Unboxing Adventures, the Canada Day edition. Woo! And for Canada Day, we have a nice Canadian beer called Carling Lager. 4.9%, bitches. Used to be 5. I don't know why they dropped it by 0.1. I guess they're fucktards. So I'm in the middle of a big cook, and then it's like, alright, fuck it. It's Canada Day. I'm gonna create a little bit of controversy. I don't give a fuck. Fuck them all. So, we have a special unboxing. I've done unboxings like this in the past. You haven't seen them yet. Or maybe you will have, I don't know. Well, they're not posted yet. I just don't know when I'm going to post this one. Everything is out of order. Like, I still have over 40 unboxing videos to post. So, who knows when this is going to happen. Maybe sooner than later, maybe later than sooner. But I know this drink is going in me sooner than later. So tonight's box is a cardboard box, and it's got a fuck of a shit ton colors on it. Blue, yellow, green, red, purple, another kind of blue, black, orange. And it's a cardboard box, weighs 2.3 kilograms. It's 12 inches by 7 inches by 6.5. And when you shake it, it kind of shakes, but the top of it looks like this. Kaboom, bitches. And then the side of it looks like this. Mad Scientist. Mad GB. Green. And then there's some funny fucking face. It looks like that again. And then, I don't know, one, didn't drop it, 1.4. G, should be 1.4S. Ooh, G, it's even better than S. That's awesome. So there you go. The product number is 0336, type F.1. There you go. So, shall we open this box? Or should we just end the video now? Fuck it, let's open it. Oh, and I have unboxed fireworks in the past, like I said, but I never let them off. Well, guess what? Today's Canada Day. We're gonna let this fucker off. Oh! Oh! And it looks like this. It's not as awesome as the last fucking one, because that one was a whole lot of awesome. Go away, box. This is what's in the box. Mad Scientist. There's the wick. Instructions. Light and run like fuck. Okay, I think I can do that. So, what do you think? Should we let this fucker go? It's almost dark. Oh. It goes up and sideways. Well, there's lots of trees here. Well, I don't give a fuck. It was made in January 2018. I don't give a fuck. Hey, if it's bad, my whole thing just might explode. That'd be awesome. Alright, bitches. We're gonna go let this fucker go. Where's the wick? Hello! Wicky poo! It's not the Wikipedia, it's the Wikipuya. Visco safety fuse. Oh wait, how do I know things like that? I'm not supposed to know these things. Alright, bitches. Let's go let this fucker go. RTFO, mofos. Okay, bitch nuts. The mosquitoes are retarded. Here's like a little foreplay. Wherever the fuck it is, there it is. Run, Forrest, run. Woo. That was not the mad scientist. Like I said, that was a little foreplay. Let's go do the mad scientist. Oh, there's a firefly. Firefly. There it is. Can you see it blinking? That's an insect. Firefly. Nice. Fuck off. Mosquitoes are retarded. Okay, let's go light the big one. Alright, bitch nuts. There you go. There's the mad scientist. And the wick is somewhere down there. Hey, someone's letting fireworks off somewhere. Okay. Lights off. And, yeah. Let's fucking do this. 'Cause I gotta finish cooking. This is distracting me. We're gonna have to run like fuck. Look out. Jesus fuck. I can't see a fucking thing. Jesus Christ. Fuck. You! Well, that was pretty fucking good, if you ask me. Didn't have enough time to run. They need to make that fucking wick bigger. Woo! Dentist, I like that. RTFO, mofos.